Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing unboxing, my first video. Alright, so let's get started. First we're doing whatever this is.
Can you show us that? Cool.
I'm gonna need my dad for help. Dad, can you help me open this? Okay, he's opening it. He's trying to open it. Where did I get these from? I got these from, well, no one commented that, but I got these from the store today because my sister was at the spa.
Okay,
She's only 2.
Alice. Oh, we got
So,
Alice.
this was my sister's. She chose this. Can you take this now? So this is what my sister got. Cool. There's a heart on the back. Wait.
Cool.
I think this is a chain. We can put this on our backpack. The next one we are doing should be, I think that this is Dragon Balls. These are the collectibles. Goku, Vegeta, you know this guy's name?
Gohan.
Krillin.
Gohan. Oh, yeah, Gohan.
Krillin, I think.
Piccolo.
Goten. Trunks.
Whis.
Beerus, and then exclusive A and exclusive V. Who will we get? Let me try opening this. Ooh. These are tricky to open.
They are tricky.
All right.
Okay, Daddy's trying again.
Oh, I know you. I think you saw the last one. Gonna make sure you know. All right. I'm chilling. What is next? I'm gonna get Beerus.
Okay.
I'm gonna get Beerus. Who do we get?
Who did we get? We got
Goku, I think. Where's that? Look. Who did we get?
I don't know. We got exclusive A.
Oh my god! How did we get that one? That is so good. All right, can I see it?
We got exclusive A.
Yeah, can you? This is so cool. We got exclusive A.
Or B.
What?
Or B. We don't know.
I think B is a circle and A is that. See? A looks like a character.
Okay.
B looks like an orb.
Cool.
That's very cool.
Now.
This is next. These used to be my favorite.
What does that show us?
This is Pokemon Go.
Okay.
In Japanese. Let's open this. No, I think I can open this one. Maybe. Oh wait, this way. Okay.
Okay. Hold this. Hold this. There you go.
Oh, we got that stack. Dad, you know how to do these? How to take these? I don't know how to open these. I'm very bad at opening these, so I'm just gonna...
Turn it around.
This? Okay. Yeah, turn it around. I'm just gonna take one, turn it around. Energy. My least favorite. Are you kidding? Are you kidding?
What?
Look what I just got. This is my first try. Look at this.
Cool.
Do you see this? What is this? I'm so bad at taking these cards. And I pull this. If I get another card, I'm letting it lose it. Oh, okay. Did you know how good that was? Did you see how good that was?
Okay.
Oh,
That's it now.
first try. This is my first card, and I get this. Look at this. You look at this. You look at this. This was my first try, and I barely opened any of these. Well, that was a crazy unboxing video. Okay, bye guys.